Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the photo you want to change and immediately create a copy so you never lose the original. Tap Edit and make the first adjustments, crop, exposure, or color, so you set a baseline. Once done, use More or the three-dot menu to copy edits. This is how you capture the exact adjustments you made. You do this because applying edits to a copy preserves the source and speeds up applying the same look across multiple images. You now paste the copied edits onto other photos and immediately assess visual matches. Some images need small fixes because lighting and composition differ. Use the selective tool to brush exposure or color where the pasted edit looks off, and use healing to remove distractions that copying didn't handle. Make incremental slider adjustments, reduce strength or tweak contrast so the edit reads naturally. Once changes look cohesive, compare images side by side. To ensure your pasted edits, finish by saving or exporting the edited copies and allow Google Photos to sync so your changes are available everywhere. If sync stalls, toggle backup and sync off and on, ensure you're on Wi-Fi, or restart the app to force an upload. These steps fix most sync glitches. If pasted edits produce odd artifacts, undo the paste, clear the copied edits in the source, and recopy from a cleaner reference image. This prevents propagating a flawed edit across multiple photos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.